Welcome to my channel. Today, I will share a 144-hour travel plan from Beijing to Xi'an and back. Let's go! Day 1. Fly from Beijing to Xi'an 2 hours. Arriving Xi'an by noon. Afternoon. Big Wild Goose Pagoda and Tang Paradise. Evening. Muslim Quarter. Day 2. Terracotta Army. Afternoon. Quacking Palace and Mount Li. Evening, Zone of Everlasting Sorrow. Day 3. Morning, Xi'an City Wall. Afternoon, Bell and Throne Towers. Evening, Tang Paradise. Day 4. Morning, Shaanxi History Museum. Afternoon, North Square of Big Wild Goose Pagoda. Evening, Shuyuanmen. Day 5. Morning, Forest of Stone Stelas Museum. Evening, Bell Tower Night View. Day 6. Fly back to Beijing 2 hours. Spend the afternoon freely before your return journey. That's our 144-hour travel plan from Beijing to Xi'an and back. Hope you like it. Like, share, and subscribe for more.